Welcome to Pro News Flash. The U.S. stock market is poised to continue its rally. Let's dive into the latest developments. The U.S. stock market is in the grip of a Christmas rally, and Wall Street experts are full of optimism. They are forecasting a 9% rally for the S&P 500 in 2026. What's more, there isn't a single bear among the 21 respondents. Pessimists have been wrong for so long that investors are tired of them. Over the past 3 years, the broad stock index has shown steady growth. It has gained about 90% from its October 2022 lows. If the big banks are right, the rally will continue for a fourth year. This has not happened in the last 2 decades. History also contributes to positive thinking. When the S&P 500 did not miss the Christmas rally, it gained an average of 1.4% in January. 12 months later, the broad stock index rose 10.4%. Experts' belief in a bright future for the index contrasts with the uncertain external backdrop. Donald Trump may deliver even more surprises in his second year as president than he did in his first. Both the Fed's monetary policy and the U.S. economy are capable of defying expectations. Nothing is clear with tariffs due to the upcoming Supreme Court verdict on their legality. Investors' faith in artificial intelligence has also been shaken. The market has doubts about the ability of tech companies to generate adequate returns on their colossal investments. They are moving to a new level of development. Whereas NVIDIA previously competed with other industry players for AI training, it is now competing to bring artificial intelligence to the masses. It is precisely the need to quickly bring technology to a wide audience that has led to the world's largest company's $20 billion deal with chip startup Grok. There are concerns about a potential shift among investors from slogans such as Buy America or Sell America to Buy Everything Except America. Foreign stock indices performed better than the S&P 500 in 2025. MSCI, excluding U.S. stocks, gained more than 29%. Its gap with the broad stock index was the largest since 2009. As the DeepSeek story shows, when NVIDIA faces competition, investors flee the U.S. stock market. Will this be a reason for a full-scale correction in 2026? Stay with Pro News for more updates on events in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.